Hey, my name is Mauro Bravo and welcome to 101 Barbers Academy. In this video, I will show you how to trim a beard with low density to get a full look. I hope this video can help you out in your daily basis. Keep watching to see how I do this and let's start.
In this tutorial, we would like to introduce you to how to make a diagonally faded beard that will encourage a better morphological compensation. Varun, our model today, has a slightly less density on his cheeks and a bit more on the sideburns and the chin area. The idea behind this beard trim is to perform a grooming service that balances the quantity of hair in order to avoid that patchy effect and get a feel of rather more than less hair. To do this job, we will start the trim by using our clipper with blade close on top of the sideburns. Next, we will open the blade to start the grading. Coming next, we will use number 1.5 attachment. First, blade open and then closed. The idea behind this gesture is to compress the beard but keep the fullness. Let's define now the underneath of the beard. To do so, we will implement clipper over comb technique. Make sure you draw a vector that goes from the corner of the jawbone to the chin itself. Plenty of free hand movements are used at this point, so be precise and careful with your clipper. To get out the excess of stick-out hair, we will use the clipper with number 1.5 attachment in the same way the hair grows. That will ensure the hair is cut nice and easy to get a better sitting over the face shape. We will repeat the same process by using number 1 attachment, following the growth direction. That way, we keep the fullness, but we compress the volume. We will do this gesture especially on the mustache and rest of the hair around the mouth. Once achieve this step, let's repeat everything again on the other side. First, clipper with blade open and no attachment, then close in the sideburns area. After that, we use number 1.5 attachment, first open, then close. Then, we use clipper over comb technique below the jawbone and over. use number 1 attachment to decrease the volume of the beard and get a tighter look. It is time now to define the outlines. The key when using a trimmer is to sharply define the edges of the beard without modifying its natural shape. Straight lines always provide more attitude to any beard style. Make sure you get a result which looks even on both sides. For extra definition, the use of a straight razor is recommended. That way, sharpness of the upper part of the beard will create an eye-catching effect that will make your work to be outstanding. Try out techniques and master them to be the next level professional. We hope you enjoyed this video, and now it's your turn. Remember that the result will always vary depending on the morphological features of each individual, so it is important that you meet the requirements mentioned above to obtain a good result. As
As usual, you will find all the links of the products we use in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.